Today I'm taking a look at the Topec 49-piece screw extractor kit. Okay. So this is the big kit. If you want something that's going to be fully complete, this is the one that you want. We got left-handed twist drills, we got the screw extractors, we got the stubby screw extractors, and then we have the nut extractors. So for the nut extractors, these are all 3/8 drive. It's labeled so you can see that this is a 17mm, and we have nice teeth on there with a nice thick wall as well. It also comes with an adapter, so if you want to attach this to an impact driver, you can do that. For the long screw extractors, you can see that they are all left twist. Nice thick shaft on it. It says this is number 6. Nice thing about these ones is that you can get that into a deeper well than you can with something like a stubby. Stubbies are good for what they are, but if you need to get to something like a set screw, then this is going to be the tool that you want. Stubbies are also well labeled. They're all left twist, and there's a couple of different size hexes on there, but I like to see that it is not hollow. So this is going to be a stout extractor. Now, the thing I find most useful are these left twist drills, because what that is going to do, most of the time if you have to drill out a screw to put an extractor in it, quite often the drill itself will stick into the screw, so all you have to do is drill. When it grabs, it'll just spin that screw right out. So left-handed twist drills are very effective tools. And as you can see, we have got a whole bunch of them, and there's also even more there in the bottom. So if you break one of these small ones, you're going to have an extra there in the back. We got a ton of different sizes and quite a variety for attacking different jobs. So that is a large and very cool kit. So here I got a bolt that is naturally round. And you can see it gripped into that no problem. If we look close, we can kind of see where it bit into that bolt, and no real damage to those teeth. So these are very good extractors. So yeah, nice and easy, no issues. So again, we got our bite marks in the inside and no real damage to that extractor. So overall, that is a very nice kit.